everyone, I'm Nazarat Fatima and you're watching LiveLaw. The Supreme Court refused to commute the death sentence of Babbar Khalsa terrorist Balwant Singh Rajoana to life imprisonment on the ground of long pendency of the mercy petition before the President of India. Balwant Singh Rajoana was involved in the killing of the then Chief Minister of Punjab, Beant Singh. He was an official of the Punjab Police, and along with one more official named Lakhwinder Singh, he was tasked with executing the Congress leader, known for his strong counter-terrorism policies. Balwant Singh Rajoana was not only responsible for ensuring that he crosses the security ring in the complex to kill the leader, but he also had a plan B of carrying an explosive device in case the first plan would fail. The separatist group Babbar Khalsa International, whose primary goal is to establish a sovereign homeland called Khalistan for people of their faith, took responsibility for the assassination. In the year 2007, death sentences were awarded to Balwant Singh and Jagtar Singh, and the co-accused Shamsher Singh, Gurmeet Singh and Lakhwinder Singh were awarded life imprisonment. The verdict was delivered inside the high-security Burel jail in Chandigarh. Balwant Singh was supposed to be hanged in March 2012, but his execution was stayed by the then United Progressive Alliance government. Rajoana has been incarcerated for the last 27 years. Interestingly, he refused counsel and refused to defend himself against the charges levelled by the state to show disdain towards the Indian judicial system. He claimed that in the year 2019, the Union government had announced that his sentence would be commuted to life imprisonment as a humanitarian gesture to mark the 550th birth anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev. But the Union Home Minister Amit Shah later informed Lok Sabha that Rajoana has not been freed from death row. The present writ petition for commuting the death sentence to a life sentence has been pending in the Apex Court since the year 2020. Last year, a bench headed by the then Justice Uday Umesh Lalit had urged the centre to decide his mercy plea within 2 months. But even after repeatedly being pulled out by the top court, the central government has not disposed of Rajoana's prayer for the commutation of his death sentence. A 3-judge bench of Justice B.R. Gavai, Justice Vikram Nath and Justice Sanjay Karol was hearing the petition seeking for his death sentence to be commuted by the court on the ground of a long delay in considering the mercy petition filed for him. Mr. Mukul Rohatgi, while arguing the matter, said, and I quote, "To keep a prisoner on death row for so long violates their fundamental rights according to the judgments of this court and is a ground for their sentence to be commuted. Rajoana is entitled to be released from death row forthwith. The moment he gets his commutation order, he can apply to be released since he has already spent 27 years behind bars. It is inhuman. Alternatively, if you wish to wait for the government's response to the mercy appeals, then at the very least grant the petitioner parole. He wants to go to his village and he will stay there." He also submitted, "They're working in a contemptuous fashion and this court may take action against them. But that is a separate thing. The petitioner's liberty is in question and there should be an order of commutation in his favour." On the other hand, the Additional Solicitor General for India, K.M. Natraj, objected to Mr. Rohatgi's submissions. He said, and I quote, "It is not true that we have not decided. We have decided to wait." Justice Gavai countered, "So the government has taken a decision to not take a decision," to which the Additional Solicitor General said yes. Other than this, the law officer also pointed out that the mercy petition had not been filed by Rajoana himself, but it was filed by another organization. Mr. Rohatgi protested against both lines of arguments and said that they were hollow contentions. Notably, the bench also expressed its displeasure with the central government's failure to comply with its earlier order and decide Balwant Singh's fate swiftly. The petitioner's lawyer relied on a decision in which the Supreme Court had held that long pendency of mercy petition can be a ground to commute death penalty. After hearing the arguments, Justice Vikram in the operative portion of the judgment today said, and I quote, "We have noted the stand of the Ministry of Home Affairs to defer the decision on the mercy petition. It actually amounts to a decision declining to grant the same for the present. We have directed the competent authority to deal with the mercy petition as and when they deem necessary and take a further decision." That's all for today. We hope you like our content, and if you do, please like and share. Also subscribe to LiveLaw and don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you for watching.